Hello CIS scholars, how are you? I know you are enjoying at home and also you are doing your studies. I know that you are watching the videos regularly and completing your work also. Okay, so children, we have completed with the workbook part of the fraction chapter. Okay, now today we are going to start with the new chapter. Now children, you have to guess it is which chapter we are going to start today. Can you see my dress? Here, can you see the designs? What is it called? Patterns. Yes. So, there are patterns on my dress. Okay. So, which chapter we are going to start today? Yes, you are right. We are going to start chapter number 9, patterns. Okay, children. So, let's start with the new chapter, patterns.
So let's start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 9, patterns. Okay, so children, we will see what is there in pattern today. Now children, first we will see what is actually called pattern. Okay, see here, things or numbers that are arranged following a rule is called a pattern. Okay, so what does this mean, children? See, whenever we are arranging something, okay, and you are following a certain rule, that is called as pattern. Okay, we can find pattern all around us. If we observe, we may be able to find pattern in nature. Okay, children, how we find the pattern all around us or in nature? How? See, when we are having a flower, even the flower petals are also arranged in pattern. Okay, then if we are talking about leaves, if we are talking about a few animals, few insects, even when you are drawing some designs, there also you are seeing some patterns. Okay, so these are few example where we can see the pattern. See here, for instance, in leaves or on the wings of a butterfly, we can see the pattern. Okay, can you see here the leaves which are arranged in pattern? Okay, in the butterfly also the wings which are showing a pattern. Okay, so children, even when you are drawing some designs, okay, circle, square, triangle, rectangle, whatever you are drawing the design using this shape or another shape which will show you a pattern. Okay, children, so the simple definition of pattern is when we are arranging the numbers or things following the rule it is called as pattern. Okay, then what is core pattern? Now children, what is core pattern here? It is a group. Okay, core pattern is a group from starting to the end till it again start. Okay, we will see an example here. See, identifying the core pattern. How you will identify the core pattern? See here, core of a pattern, the elements that get repeated is called the core of a pattern. Okay, now here the shapes or whatever design you are taking, when it starts repeating, that is called as the core of a pattern. See here, I am having the colorful triangles which are repeating. Okay, one is blue, then orange, then blue, then orange. So see here, it is repeating. Okay, one I am having blue, then orange, then again I am having blue. Okay, so here from blue it is repeating. Okay, so what we will say that this one group it is called as the core pattern. Okay, next core pattern will be again this blue and orange. Okay, so this group of shape which is repeating, okay, when it is start repeating till there it is one core pattern. Okay, so this is the core pattern. Understood, children? We will see one more example. See here. Now I am having square. Okay, there are many squares here, but can you see the dots over here? The dots are moving. Okay, the position of the dots are changed. See, first dot is here, okay, on the top. Then the second square is having the dot on the side. Then the third square is having the dot at the down. Then the fourth square is having the dot at this left hand side. Okay, then next square again it is having the dot on the upper part, topmost part. Okay, then the next square is having the dot on the right hand side. Then next square is having the dot on the down. Okay, and then next square is having the dot at the left hand side. Okay, so can you see here, up, then right, then down, then left, then up, right, down and left. So this pattern is repeated. Okay, this pattern is repeated. So from where it is repeating till there it is a core pattern. Okay, children, so see here, this will be your core pattern. Why this will be your core pattern, children? Because from here the pattern is again repeating. Okay, so this is your core pattern. Again this will be your another core pattern. Like this it goes on. Okay, children, so like this you have to do. Okay, what is the core pattern? I hope you have understood, children. Okay, now see here in exercise 9.1. Now children, exercise 9.1 you have to do in your textbook. Okay, it is very simple, children. I have done one example for you. Okay, so what is there in exercise 9.1, children? See, identify the core patterns in the following and circle it. Okay, so there is one core pattern, children, here. See, number C I have taken. Okay, so now here, children, can you see the triangle is there? Now this triangle, it is having a dot over here on the left hand side. Then again in the next triangle it is having a dot on the right hand side. Okay, the next triangle is having the dot at the down. The next triangle again it is having the dot on left. Then next triangle is having the dot on right. Then next triangle is having dot on the downside. Okay, so what will be the core pattern? See, children, here left, right, down, left, right, down. So from where the pattern is repeating? From here. Okay, so this part will be your core pattern. This is your core pattern. Understood, children? So this exercise 9.1 I have explained you example number C. You have to do the remaining sums. Okay, they are very simple, children. Understood? Okay, so children, this core pattern is very simple. You watch this video carefully and then start solving exercise 9.1 in your textbook. Okay, children, till then, goodbye. We will meet again, children.